What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single family residence on the north side of Akron, Ohio. Just doing a final walkthrough. We're gonna be closing on this property tomorrow. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath. Bungalow. So just wanted to drop in on you guys and let you know we're still active in the Akron, Canton market, Summit County, Stark County, surrounding areas. If you or anybody you know is looking to sell a property, we can close quickly. We pay cash. Do we buy in as-is condition? Please give us a call, 330-685-2220.